Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and replacing a rear emblem in a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need this part for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to pull this emblem off. We're going to use a little flat blade tool, trim tool from, you can get these at 1aauto.com. Just go in behind here, just gently going around. Pry up. Just peel it. It's got double-sided tape around it. Another trick we're going to try is we're going to use some fishing line. You can use fishing line, you could use some thin wire, would work also. Just go along and just go back and forth. Just go back and forth, back and forth. It's good to wear gloves while doing this because it'll hurt your hands. Use the pry tools and just pry it out a little more. And then we'll go down. Pull this out of the way. It would also be easier if we had a heat gun. You can heat this up and then it should peel off a little easier as well. So just take our trim tools and go back and forth. That's how you get the emblem off. All right, we're going to scrape some of this off. Do the best you can with your fingers, and you can use these trim tools to scrape a little bit. Get some of the big stuff off. You don't really want to use a razor blade because then it'll dig into the paint. You can almost peel it off. If you had a heat gun, this stuff would work, come off a lot easier also. So. All right, so we got most of the big stuff off. We're going to take some adhesive remover. Put it on a cloth, wipe it on here. And just, as you can see, it comes off a lot easier after soaking with the adhesive remover a little bit. I'll buff off the rest with another rag. And it looks like we got it all off. Here's our old emblem. Here's our new emblem from 1aauto.com. As you can see, they're the same shape. If you look at the back, this one, we obviously took off the double-sided tape on this one. This one has it already set for you, and it has the little ears that go in place. This one, the two ears broke off when removing. So, but as you can see, the emblem itself, it actually looks like it's a nicer gold than the original. It's an upgraded part. Get your part at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So with our new emblem, you can see there's a tab that says up on it. So you're gonna wanna have that go in the up direction. We're gonna peel our double-sided tape. And we're gonna line those two studs up with the two holes. Carefully line it up. We're gonna push from the center and push out. Go all around, pushing it. It's all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.